What's up, guys? This is the Hawaiian Tropic, the weightless hydration. This is the 30 SPF. It is nice that it's cruelty-free and vegan. I will say, guys, you need to work up to this, okay? Don't go out there being like, okay, I never really go to the beach, I never get in the sun, and I'm going to throw this on in my first session, and I'm going to get tan. All right, you need to work your way up to this. All right, you should start at higher SPFs and go to lower SPFs. That being said, once your body is used to being in the sun, whether it be poolside, outside in your lawn, by the beach, when you work up to this, it is a great product. All right, it really is. You will have that nice tan glow, that beach glow, that that poolside beach body glow. Okay. However, again, if you're looking to just get this one time and you think it's going to have your fix right there immediately, no, again, you need to work up to this, okay? But that being said, it is a great product and it does work, okay? I have used it personally, all right? It's a great product.